Yes.
can I do something prettier than
Uh, we are not using bingo tickets right now. We are going to do it in the last
excuse
week.
me,
Okay.
ma'am. I just
Yes.
got the ma'am, look at what I'm doing now.
Wow, beautiful. Right now. Let everybody enter, then I will tell you.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody is looking so good. I'm going to take a picture. We'll let everyone enter, then I will take a picture.
Ma'am, good
Yes.
morning, ma'am. We're not gonna write today.
Sorry?
We're not writing today.
No, we're not writing.
Okay. Only fun? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
What do we need today? Good morning, ma'am.
Right now, nothing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
What?
morning.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am fine. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when will this class start? I can draw. Ma'am, I can draw.
Huh?
What?
Anytime, draw. It's not a big thing. Come.
Ma'am, today is Veer Mundra's birthday. Ma'am,
Yes, beta. We will celebrate his birthday also. Okay.
ma'am, I'm drawing. Ma'am, I'm drawing. It
Yes.
is okay. Good morning. School should start my birthday.
Wait. Don't turn on the microphones together. What happened, Veer?
I can draw. I can draw.
What do you want to draw?
Ticket.
Yes, you can draw it. Draw the ticket in your book. Okay, or anywhere on a page or something, anything. Yes, Veer Patel. Very good. Yes, Nivi, what happened?
Ma'am, school should start before my birthday. And are we doing the class right now?
We are doing the class right now, but we are not going to write anything right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Arav. Very good. Okay. Okay, Arav, you can lower your hand. We'll just wait for everybody to enter the class. Yes. In a minute, we will start.
Rihanna is not joined. Ma'am, everybody's joined, but Rihanna is not joined.
Okay, beta. Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am,
Very good.
मैम मैंने प्रिंट नहीं करवाई
What happened, Henny?
मैंने प्रिंट नहीं कर
No problem. We are not using it right now. Yes, Suhan.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning. Yes, Kyra.
नीति Neat.
What
Neat.
happened? Neeti is not
Neat.
feeling well, so she's not going to come.
Okay.
Yes, Nivi?
Then
Yes.
in a while, 2 days ago, you did say you'll give me and Rizan some time to fight.
Yes.
Well, I've got much better at the guitar.
Okay. Very nice, Nivi. Okay. So the other day we learned that we saw the story of Diwali, yes, why we celebrate Diwali and what was the reason behind it. Yes. Now today we are going to see.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
God, beta.
See. See, ma'am.
Wow, very nice, very beautiful.
And see this one. See,
Wow, this is also really nice. Very good, Veer. You're doing good. This thing. Nice coloring. Okay. So, happy Diwali. Diwali is a festival of joy and prosperity. Yes, it is a festival of joy. We rejoice because we saw the story. Yes, because Ram, he helped his wife to come out of that evil person's palace. Yes. Yes, Nivi, what happened?
what does prosperity mean?
Sorry?
Prosperity, what does it mean?
Prosperity.
Yeah.
Prosperity means when you have enough wealth to live very nicely in a very prosperous way. Yes, you are not being,
अभी तो
you are
फ्लैट
not
ऑन किया
poor.
अभी 11 बजे होएगी.
Veer, can you please turn off your microphone? Okay, Nivi, now turn off your microphone, beta, and leave the guitar alone for now. Okay? Okay. Then this is a story of Ram and Ravana. That is why it is called Ramayana. Yes. Thousands of years ago, in a city of Ayodhya, there lived a good king, Dashratha. He had 3 queens and he had 4 sons. There are 4 princes. Yes. Then one day, his eldest son Ram and his beautiful wife Sita lived happily with his other brothers and their wives. But one of King Dashrath's queen, Kaikai's demanded that Ram will exile to a forest for 14 years and her son Bharat will be the next king. So she wanted her son to be the next king. That is why she wanted Ram to go to the forest and live there for 14 years. So Ram, he went with his wife and even his brother Lakshman followed him. Yes. Then one fine day when Ram was in the forest, one demon, she was a princess demon, as in evil princess. Okay, she came to the forest, she saw Ram and she liked him and she told him, "You marry me." But Ram said, "No, I am already married. I cannot marry you." So then she went to Lakshman. So then Lakshman said that, "No, I don't want to get married to." But still she was insisting. She was telling him that still you get married to me. Then what Lakshman did? He cut off her nose. So she went crying to her brother that, "Lakshman, he cut my nose." So her brother got really angry, and what he did, he kidnapped Ram's wife. He kidnapped Ram's wife. He took away his wife when they were out in the jungle. He took away his wife and took her to his palace. And he kept her in the garden of his palace. Then one fine day, Ram found these monkeys and a bear, and he took their help. Their leader was called Hanuman. Yes, their leader was Hanuman. So Hanuman said that, "I will help you." And Hanuman was a big devotee of Ram. He used to pray to Ram and he thought that Ram is God. Ram was God for him. Yes. So then Hanuman helped Hanuman. He was like a superhero. Yes, he was like a superhero. He could climb mountains. He could, in one jump, he could just cross the river and everything. So he had these superpowers. So what he did, Ram told him that, "You take my ring and you show it to Sita and you tell her that I will come to rescue her soon." Yes. So then he went to Sita and he gave her the ring and told her that Ram will come soon to rescue her. Yes. Then they crossed this river. They put stones writing Ram on it and they put it in the river and they walked on it and they crossed it and they went to Lanka. Everyone knows Sri Lanka. That was where Ravan stayed, Sri Lanka. He stayed there. That was called Lanka. It is Ravan's Lanka. Yes, that is the place he lived. So they had to go there and fight with his army. So this army of monkey and the army of evil, they both fought. They both fought and Ram, he won. But then Ravan was not getting killed. Then someone told him that if you hit him on his navel, then he will die. So he quickly pulled the arrow and hit him on the navel, and then Ravan died. And Ram got his wife back. And their 14 years of exile was over. 14 years of staying in the forest was over. And when they returned, everybody celebrated. See, they were bursting crackers and there were lights and rangolis and lot of decoration, lot of flowers and everything was there. Yes, that is why we also celebrate Diwali. Yes, that Ram, he conquered good. He was a good person and Ravan was evil. So good conquered over evil. Yes, evil lost. So that is how we celebrate Diwali. Okay. By making rangolis and staying with the family. Yes. Spending family time. Yes. Lighting up the lights and diyas. Then we do Lakshmi Puja. We pray to Lakshmi Mata. So she is the goddess of wealth to give us good wealth. Yes. And prosperity. Then we make rangolis. Yes, mama makes beautiful rangolis, right, at home. Then we decorate our houses. Then we wish each other and takes blessings from our elders. Yes, we take blessing from our elders and we eat lot of sweets. Yes, and we burst crackers. This Diwali, let's burst. Children, this time let's burst less crackers. Yes, we should burst less crackers and help the needy. See, we should always help the poor people. And don't go and give crackers to poor people. Give them food. Okay, give them food, give them clothes, because so many of them are really poor. They cannot afford to even eat one time. Yes, they're very poor. If you give them food, it will be better instead of giving them crackers. Yes. And give them clothes. They will be so happy because we always wear new clothes on Diwali, but they don't have clothes. Yes. They don't even have clothes to wear daily. Yes. Then we should plant trees. Why? Because when you burst crackers, there is so much of smoke and everything. So you need trees to give us fresh air. Yes. So we have to plant a tree. Then we should stay safe. We should always wear mask. Yes, we should always wear mask, clean our hands. You should take care of yourself and stay healthy. Exercise daily, eat healthy, sleep well. Don't do late nights. Okay, Leona, turn off your microphone.
Okay.
You should not sleep late. You should sleep on time. Yes, it is good for your health. Okay, now there is a quiz. Diwali is a festival of lights, Rakhi, or colors?
Light.
Lights.
Light.
Yes. Very good. Okay, quiet. Okay, I got the answer. Yes, but you have to choose only one of this. Okay, very good. Now lower your hands, everyone. As it is, nobody followed the rule now. Okay, fine. Janvi, lower your hand. Okay. Now we light dash and decorate the house. What do we light? Crackers, diyas, or matchstick? What do we light? Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, Nevi, lower your hand, beta. Nobody is following. Whom do we worship during Diwali?
The goddess Lakshmi.
Yes,
goddess
goddess
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Yes.
Goddess Lakshmi.
Very good. Yes, Nevi.
God Lakshmi.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Diwali is a victory of good over good over princess or good over evil. Good over what? What good?
Bad.
Good over evil.
Evil.
Yes. Okay.
Evil.
And how many diyas are there? How many diyas can you see?
Six.
Very good. Okay, fine. Now, how many circles? How many circles can you see? Quickly count and tell me. Rajveer, turn off your microphone. Arav, turn off your microphone. Veer, turn off your microphone. Everybody, turn off your microphones.
20. 20. 24. 24.
Yes, it is 24. Turn off your microphone. Turn off your microphones quickly. Turn off your microphone, Kyra.
23.
No, it is 24, not 24. Okay, fine. Now, Pahel, turn off your microphone. Okay, how many semicircles are there?
4.
No,
2.
no, count properly. Semicircles.
8. 10. 4.
No, no.
8. 11. 9. 10.
It is nine. 9 semicircles are there.
9.
Okay. Now turn off your
9.
microphone. Okay, turn off your microphones now. And circles are 26. You forgot the 2 eyes. 26 circles are there. You forgot 2 eyes. Okay, fine. Now, find the odd one out. In the first one, which is the odd one out?
Gift.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and the second one, which is the odd one out? And then the third one, which is the odd one out? Okay, very good. It is done now. Everybody turn off your microphones. Okay. Everybody is ready with your A4 size paper? Is everyone ready with your A4 size paper?
Ma'am, colorful papers.
Any paper. If you have colorful, use colorful. If you have plain, use plain. You can use anything you have.
I don't have colorful. I can use this one.
Yes, yes, you can use anything.
Ma'am, I can check. I have a note.
What happened?
I can check. I have.
Yes, yes, go check.
This is how fast YouTube is working.
Ma'am, happy Diwali. This is for you.
What is, wait, I can't see, wait.
Here's how you can see how much time is here.
Ma'am, this paper.
1 minute, wait. I'm trying to
This is for
send
you.
you a link.
Happy
1
Diwali.
second, beta. Wait, I can't see. Wait.
Ma'am, happy
Okay,
Diwali. This is
oh
for
wow, very nice, very beautiful. Thank you, Rajvi. Yes, Pahel, what happened?
you. Ma'am,
Yes,
you are looking like beautiful.
thank you. Yes, Shivansh.
You also. Ma'am, ये वाले पेपर क्या?
कोई भी पेपर ले लो बेटा. ये ऐसा. हाँ, A4 size का. Okay, children, I have sent you all the link. Open the link and make that paper bomb. Okay, children, everybody needs to turn off your microphone. Veer Mundra.
आपने तो नहीं सेंड कर रखा है.
Send किया है ना बेटा मैंने. Wait, I will send it again.
लिंक स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही.
Okay, I've sent it again. Link start नहीं हो रही है. Check, I've sent it again. Check.
मैम अभी भी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही।
कैसे स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही बेटा? वेट, आई विल सेंड इट अगेन टू यू।
नहीं हो रही।
1 second बेटा। Okay, I've sent the link again.
मैम अभी भी नहीं हो रही है। क्या बनाना है मैम?
Wait, so just see, I'm doing it. So see, look at me and do it.
नहीं हो रही।
See, fold the paper like this. See.
मैम
Yes.
A4 साइज पेपर कौन से? ये वाले।
जो आप बड़ा वाला पेपर हो ना वो बेटा।
बड़े वाला एनी कलर।
Any color बेटा, any color.
मैम दिखाओ ना कैसे बनाना है।
Wait, I will show it to you.
स्टार्टिंग।
1 second. थोड़ा सा ही noise है। Okay, wait. I have sent the link again बेटा।
मैंने ट्राई की तो फिर भी अच्छे से बन नहीं पाया।
You can try it again later. इतना ज्यादा भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं हो गया स्टार्ट।
हुआ स्टार्ट बेटा?
नो।
Okay. Okay, fine. I will show it to you. See, you have this paper. No. First, you take the paper and you fold it in half like this. ऐसे half fold कर दो. ऐसे है ना पेपर, उसको ऐसे half fold कर दो. ऐसे. Yes. फिर ये तरफ का लेके उसको वो हाफ की लाइन बनी है ना उसके यहाँ ऐसे ऐसे फोल्ड कर दो वहां पे।
क्या?
हाफ का हाफ फोल्ड करो, ये हाफ ऐसे फोल्ड कर दो। हाफ ऑलरेडी फोल्ड किया हुआ हमने, उसका भी ऐसे हाफ फोल्ड कर दो। किया? अभी उसको और फोल्ड करो ऐसे.
मैम से इतना ही हुआ.
ओके, मैं क्लासरूम में भी ये लिंक भेजूंगी, आप बनाना. ओके, फिर
Okay,
उसको ये फोल्ड कर दिया उसको. नहीं कायरा, ये नहीं हो रहा है ठीक से. I will do one thing. I will send you the link, okay, in the classroom. Then you make
मैम
it.
जो वो ऐसे करके आ रहा था ना, ऐसे वो नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ बेटा, I will send you the link in the classroom. Okay, then you do it. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now you all can take a break. Yes, you all can take a break and come back. You have to go to your activity
Bye, ma'am.
class for your music class. Yes.